Do you want to know how you can change camera settings in Photodirector? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the camera settings in Photodirector. Go ahead and open Photodirector, which is on your phone. Now, tap on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand corner. You can see camera settings. Go ahead and tap camera settings and you can see there are some of the things which you can change, such as quality, shutter sound, save GPS location, launch with camera, auto save photo, front camera mirror, skin beautifier, countdown sound effect, optimize the preview quality. So you can go ahead and change the settings over here and you can make your own settings too. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on camera settings, which is right over here on the top left hand corner. Tap on camera settings and these are the settings which you can change. So you can allow access to launch with camera, auto save photo, you can enable front camera mirror, skin beautifier, countdown sound effects, and you can even change the quality of the photo the camera clicks. I hope this video about how you can change your camera settings in Photodirector was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.